So now I can select all these polylines, run the same script, and select polyline area surface. Execute. So script will show me all square meter areas. Before counting square meter area for each room, be sure that all contours created and the right name assigned for each contour. So you can leave the default name like room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Or you can assign some custom name to each contour. In that case, this name will be used for report generation. So select contours which you would like to edit. For example, I will select all of them, run the script, and here you can choose polyline edit name. Script will ask you if you would like to add the prefix for the name. It could be useful if you have multiple floors, and for first floor you will use ground floor prefix, for second floor you will use second floor prefix, etc. Right now I can skip this and then just click OK. So script showing me the first contour with a red line and asking which name I would like to assign for this contour. These names you can edit in the script. You can create your own list with naming and then just select the names from this list. So let's say I will call it Jim, for example. Apply. Then it will guide me to the next contour. So for this I can choose another name. If you select the same name again, then script will add number for this room, number 2, number 1, number 3, etc. When you will finish, you will see this information message, and you will see that now all folders have another name. So now I can select all these polylines, run the same script, and select polyline area surface. Execute. So script will show me all square meter areas. Before going to report page, maybe I would like to change the main view and save this for report. This new view. So let's say I would like to save that one. I will go to view, click save view, and I can name it areas. So now we can go to report. Here script prepared for us new page. We can just drag and drop our view to that section. We can change the orientation for the page. Then if you would like to edit this view, you can select it and change background, change the scale, and you can also change the style of these labels. So I prefer to use ID only here in this view. For the scale I prefer to select all, and position for ID label, for labels I prefer to select screen border. So now if I drag and drop this table here, you will see the information about all areas with the right naming. You can select this and choose which column you would like to keep and which columns you would like to disable. And also here some summary, how many total square meter area you have. So you can also put it here. And that's it. The report is finished. If you have any requests or feedback about the improvements, you can fill this form on the site. So just click to this button and just fill this form. It will ask you to enter your email address, specify which tool you used, suggest improvements, and if you upload your data to any cloud storage, here you can put the link for this data so I can test it with your own data.